Hi everyone. Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. Cleaner is a popular junk cleaner on Windows VPS. Cleaner has enough functionality to clean such computer junk. It helps to clean the drive to free up memory storage space. Besides, it also has some other advanced options that you may not know. This video will introduce options that allow you to clean up your computer, such as delete or keep cookies, cache, clean the registry, or delete files securely. First of all, log into the server as an administrator. Please refer to how to connect VPS via RDP at the link we put on the screen for more details. First of all, you access the following link to download Cleaner software to your VPS. After the download is complete, double-click the downloaded file to install the program. The installation window appears. Select Install. You can choose the language for ease of use. Wait for a while for the installation to complete, then click Run Cleaner to run the application. And here is the main interface of Cleaner software. To clean up the computer, the item we need to pay attention to the most is the Custom Clean item. In the Trash section, there are two subsections, Windows and Applications. Windows section includes cleaning functions for log files, junk files, temporary files, history, cookies, of the Windows operating system. Section Applications includes the function of cleaning files, logs, junk files, temporary files, history, cookies, of applications, browsers such as Firefox, Microsoft Office, Adobe Reader. Usually, we will leave the default and click Analyze so that the software starts the scanning process and finds all junk files, temporary files in your computer. After the analysis is complete, you will see that the software lists all the files that will be deleted. Now click Run Cleaner to delete junk files. In the process of deleting may appear messages. Just click Yes or Continue. After completing the cleaning process, there will be a Cleaning Complete message. You can click Show Advanced Report to see the deleted files. After cleaning up the junk files, you can switch to the Tools section. This section includes 7 tabs, which are Uninstall, Software Updater, Startup, Browser Plugins, Disk Analyzer, Duplicate Finder, and Disk Wiper. Tab Uninstall. This is a tool that helps you to uninstall programs installed on your computer, rename, or delete application settings in the registry. To uninstall, select the application to uninstall and then select Uninstall. Startup tab. This is a tool to help you manage applications that start with Windows. When there are too many applications that start with Windows, it will make your computer start up slowly. You can turn off unnecessary applications by selecting the application and then select Disable. Tab Browser Plugins. This is a tool to help you manage extensions in browsers. You can turn off and delete arbitrary extensions. This will make the browser less heavy. Tab Disk Analyzer. This is a tool to help you check the disk space and classify the file types in the hard drive, such as music, documents, movies, photos, and other file types. Tab Duplicate Finder. Search for duplicate files in the storage hard drive. We can search by name, size, edit date, and content. Drive Wiper tab. When Windows or another operating system deletes a file, it's not actually deleted from the hard drive. Instead, the file pointer is deleted and the operating system marks the location where the file is located as empty. Cleaner will clean up the free storage space with the Drive Wiper tool. So with just a few simple steps, we can clean up junk files in Windows VPS using Cleaner software.